Alright, YouTube, here we go. I wanted you to see this geogrid. I'll try to run the camera a little slower. Yesterday, it rained about an inch, and then of course, when you go spend the money on the plastic, and you put all the 16 by 100 foot of plastic down on top of everything, because you don't want this thing to get a bunch of hydraulic pressure during construction. Not a good idea. And you think about that, maybe an inch a week, but if you're getting more than 3 or 4, 6, 8, 10 inches, this whole thing will fall over. Because when you get done, you know, your water is supposed to run over the top of the wall or down away from you. You're not supposed to fill this backside up with water. You okay? Anyway, I wanted to show you the geogrid. Of course, if you put the plastic down, then, I don't know if you can see it or not, but all this is geogrid all the way back to there. Going back 6 or 8 feet. And then, put the plastic down. Of course, it don't rain then, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll cover it back up. But here we go through the straight part. There's your geogrid there. Bring it right on out to the edge. You've got to trim some off a little bit once you get done. That's okay, but you know, a heavy, wide part in the front of the block, that's really going to hold it down. Look back up here. Look at your instructions. They come with it. See how this is all overlapping? That's how you do your corners. You don't want any of this geogrid on top of each other under the brick, under the block I mean, because then it won't set flat. So everywhere where there's a joint, well, little issue there, I'll deal with that. But you have that open V. But then back here, major overlap, which won't hurt a thing. We've got 6 inches of compacted rock there, approved backfill, right? And then you're gonna put rock on top, but you'll see all these patterns. Then it straightens out and heads all the way up towards that plastic. But we'll put about 4 inches of rock here and compact it. I'll stay away from the front of the wall. Then I'll come and kind of pull it tight and lay my next course of block down. I've got to get this rock down here so it'll get things up a little higher. And then when I put my plastic down, if it rains like crazy like it's supposed to, it'll run over the top of the wall, you know? Keep that in mind. Don't let your wall fill up with water. You'll have a nightmare on your hands. Anyway, have a nice day.